Part 3, 5 Steps for Writing Alternative Text. Step number 1, avoid using image of, picture of. A lot of people want to do this when they first start using when you first start writing alternative text. But what you may not know is that screen readers can identify objects as images when they're going through the content on the screen, and they're going to identify that to the user. So it really becomes something redundant if you're writing in image of, picture of, because they're already hearing that anyway. So you can just go ahead and leave that out. Now, if it's something important to the content, like this is a historical painting, that might be something you'd want to include within the alternative text, but the general image of, picture of, you can avoid. Step 2, write it like you read it. So left to right, top to bottom. So as you think about describing the image, use a left to right, top to bottom approach. This will help you organize your thoughts and help you figure out how to describe it to the user. Especially if there's text in the image, this is really important to do. And we're going to talk about examples with this later, but just remember this for now. Step number 3, focus on what's important because context matters. You want to focus on what the image is conveying to the user given the context, okay? So you may have an image that has many elements in it. Maybe there's a lot of details, it's really complicated. Focus on what's really important for the user to know and take away from having access to this image. You may not have to identify every single small detail in the image, but focus on the important details. That's what you want to include. Step number 4, state the facts and keep it equal. Okay, and avoid including your own interpretation of the image or your own opinions of the image when you're doing your describing. You want to give your non-visual users the same information as your visual users, and don't put in anything additional. It should be an equal experience for everyone, whether or not you're using a screen reader to get the content. So for example, this is relating to not including your opinions or interpretations. You wouldn't write in the alternative text, a cute, cuddly corgi dog, if we were talking about the images before. But you could say, a corgi dog with a big smile on its face. It has fuzzy fur. Okay, that's stating the facts versus your interpretations and opinions. And that's important for writing accurate alternative text. So be very just matter of fact when you're writing it. Step number 5, okay, include the text within the image because it's part of the image. Keep in mind that screen readers cannot read text within an image, just like they can pick up text on a website, but they can't grab the text that's within the image, if that makes sense. You have to provide that text to the user within the alternative text. It's part of the content, so don't leave it out. So for example, if you had a meme on your website, you would want to describe the image as well as the text within the meme. Okay, so that way they get all of it. Watch the Part 4 video for examples. allaboutaccessibility.com.